Art, I cannot express in words the appreciation of this government of your talent and expertise in running your department. You are one of the top performers. At ito haka-haka lang naman, walang halong politika. Kasayang ng gobyerno ito pag nawala ka, sa totoo lang. There are people who are really conscious of their fervor to be of service to their country, that mawala sila, just a passing scene sa political manghinayang ka. Tignan mo nagawa ni Secretary Tugade, more than the achievements of the past administrations, three administrations combined. Kita mo yung natapos niya, if only one puts their heart to it, talagang kayang gawin. And one of them is really Tugade. Sayang kung mawala ka. I hope that the people, I will not say more than just necessary, pero sayang, sinayang talaga ako. Ay classmate kita, pero ako, umabot na ako sa apex ko. But I think the country really needs you badly, real bad sa mga itong lalo na yung proyekto na it always ends up in corruption. So, I'd like to congratulate you, and we still have about a few months to go. I hope you can complete the project, and I hope that you'd consider running for Senator of the Republic of the Philippines. Sayang ka totoo. Nanghinayang ako sa inyo. Ikaw, si Villar, at ibang mga cabinet members dyan. Pag nawala kayo, balik tayo sa 5 taon na naman, 10 taon, puro drawing lang. So Art, I will not detain you any further. Thank you for the report, and we expect more to come as the projects are being completed. So, salamat, at we hope to have you again next time to give us the report nearing the end of nearing the end of my term. Thank you.